everybody. So, welcome back. So today we continue with the build of this Tesla coil. So when you have seen the last videos about it, yeah, I was building the housing and told something about what I have in mind, what my plans are. Yeah, and today we continue with a little problem that I have here, because yeah, for these tubes I don't have the sockets to fix them here on my Tesla coil. So yeah, for this I need a solution, and yeah, I think maybe I have one, and yeah, I will show you that. So just to show you what I want to do, because the connections I can use, so that's not the problem. The only problem is to fix this tube tight on the board or on this platform. So for this I had the idea, I cut out an U-shaped wood and cut it out really precise so that I can screw this down on the edges to fix this tube down on the board, or press this tube down onto the board, and yeah, hopefully that doesn't want to go anywhere after this. Yeah, there we have the adapters, or however I could call them. This one fits pretty good. Yeah, could a little bit better, but it's pretty tight on there, and with that I can drill 4 holes and clamp this tube down onto the housing. Yeah, also if you wonder what's these noises you can hear in the background, yeah, we have kermes. Yeah, that's bad for filming, but it is what it is. Sorry for that, guy. That's how it looks now. So these tubes sitting pretty tight, not too tight, so I think I have to be careful. This aluminum base is not that hard. So if you want to build something like this too, be careful. Don't tighten these screws too hard. But yeah, so I set these tubes a little bit more to the outside, because I had the idea, now I want to this wiring is coming out there, out of the base here too. Now I can easily wire everything together at this point and set down here the triac to switch the cathodes of these tubes, and also the grid feedback system can easily fit here. So in this case I'm able to get this really compact and have really short cableways. So that's yeah. Okay, now my idea is to use this plastic plate, this transparent plate. At first as an I will cut it down on the height of the tubes, and then I want to attach these here to get later the fans for the tubes in an angle to cool down the tubes from the top. And also I can fit on there the diodes for the voltage doubler circuit. And yeah. Okay, actually I forgot to film the most of how I fix these fans on there. Sorry for that, but yeah, you can see how it looks now. Yeah, next thing is I want to build a little platform here out of this plastic. To get this capacitor bank on there, and also the diodes. So for this, it's cool because it's really compact here on this place, and I have a little bit more room for the transformers and some connections sitting here. This already looks like something. I also have to think about to support this a little bit. I think I will just use this piece and support this. So now it's a little bit wobbly. Okay, so the layout changed a little bit. Like you can see, I didn't film this building process because I had to think about it, because I began to make some fails or became some issues, because everything here gets pretty compact, and I have to be careful because these are coming really close together. I mean, these are about 4 to 5 centimeters, but you know, in such devices the current somehow likes to use some ways you don't think about. So in this case I built the MMC under this platform. So my first thought was to put it onto it on the top, but I didn't like it, so now I did it like this. Okay, so I will say let's build the diode or the high voltage diode chain and yeah, let's see where this is going. So maybe I have a little space here in between, or maybe I set this here on some plastic ankles on the top. Yeah, but first let's build. Yeah, so finished. I measured it because I was a little bit nervous about this, actually, because my solder iron is not big enough for this big diodes, and I had to heat them up a lot. So, but they are good, measured perfect. So now I have this tube. Yeah, I don't know how to do this with one hand. My knee helps me. So this diodes fits perfectly into this tube. Yeah. Sorry for this. I will stuff them into the tube and get this somehow on the top of this platform. Yep, the diode fits pretty well on there. Perfect. I like this. What do you think about this? Yeah, the only thing what I think now is I'm a little bit worried about the fans, because the primary is about here, and that's pretty close. I mean, that's roughly 25 centimeters away. Yeah, we will see when this thing gets its first lights. Yeah, what these fans say to the high frequency electromagnetic field. But yeah, okay, maybe I have to find another solution later, but yeah, we'll find out. Okay, now the last thing that I want to do in this video is figure out how I can get this primary coil, or the tube for the primary coil, how to install this here. And yeah, my solution for this is I will try to cut out a wooden ring. So cut out the inside of this and here the outside, so just to have a ring. To install this on here, so that I can just stick the tube for the primary coil in this ring and fix this with some screws on there to get it pretty tight so it doesn't move anywhere. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, today is not so my day. It's a little bit wonky, but okay, it fits nicely. So I want to screw this on here, and let's see if I can do it with one hand. Yes. Yeah, to put this tubulator in there, and yeah, I will tighten 2 or 3 screws around this to fix it in place, and yeah, this will go nowhere after this. So, and I'm not using this, so I will cut it out so I can yeah, begin with my feedback coil, really, yeah, down here, and then I can begin with the primary coil, so I get this pretty small, and also the secondary coil, yeah, I don't want to do it that high, so because I'm a little bit limited with yeah, ceiling height here in my workshop, so I don't want to build a super big Tesla coil and yeah, just striking my ceiling. Okay, that's high hopes. But yeah, I want to do it a little bit compact. Yeah, but I would say that's enough for today, or for this video. Yeah, is out of many days of working at this. At the moment I don't have enough time to yeah, really work for 2 or 3 days in a row on this thing, so I just spent my, yeah, some hours after work and do something, yeah, and filming something. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time when we continue with this. So bye bye.